friends, and welcome back to the channel. We are back with another Temu haul. So as always, everything is going to be linked and listed down below for you guys. I'm going to do my best to pop up the prices of everything, and there's going to be coupon codes and all of that stuff down in my description box with all of the links. I am super excited to get into it because you know how your girl is. Your girl picks out stuff, then in 7 to 10 business days it arrives and your girl has forgotten everything. So it's like Christmas all over again. So if you've never heard of Temu, Temu is an app that you can download, which I'm going to have a special link down below that you can download the app, and it's also going to have like some of my favorites of the past things that I've hauled. I even have a playlist that is going to pop up at the end of today's video with a bunch of different stuff that I've hauled from Temu. They literally offer everything from fashion to beauty to home decor. They have pet toys. So when I say they offer a variety, like a large variety of things, and they're constantly adding new things all the time. You also get free shipping, free returns, and price adjustments. This is flippin' adorable. I saw these little containers. In my head, they were glass. They are, in fact, not glass. I felt like they would be great little storage containers for camping. I don't want to take things back and forth. Like, we did that so much last year and it was such a pain. Anyways, we need little storage containers when we are down there camping, whether it's putting fruit in here or just dry goods to keep the mice and stuff away. It is a set of, it looks like 4 different containers with lids. It has a little plastic lid. I would not recommend putting these in the microwave. Like, I don't put plastic in the microwave anyways, but you've got 4 and all of them have it, and I love the little decor on there. Isn't that so adorable? I think this is like a towel set. I am so excited over this. Look how flipping cute. Alright, so it's not microfiber. I have sensory disorder, sensory processing disorder. So I get very funny about fabrics. This feels like a freaking baby blanket, and we actually already have a gray checkered one. I love this. I'm going to throw that in the wash right now. It's a little towel set. My husband, every time, he always gets to the towels first and grabs that gray. It's like light gray, dark gray, checkered towel. I hauled it a while back with a matching little hand towel, or you could probably use this as a hair towel too. Is this that fancy looking purse? It is. I have seen so many vloggers carrying around. This is flippin' nice. This new style purse. Oh, it's like a 2-for-1-er. Oh, this is nice. It's like a coffee gray. This color is really different. I've seen so many people carrying this, and I think it's supposed to look like some crazy expensive brand. I don't even know the brand. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. But I've seen a lot of people carrying this. So there's no zipper in here, but I feel like all the things that you really don't want to fall out, you put into this zipper compartment. Oh, this is nice. It even has another little zipper here. Can you see the fabric? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Maybe not. I don't know. This is, it's like a gray coffee, which I'm using natural lighting, so I can't really, it's like a muted coffee gray or something. I don't know, but I'm here for it. I like it. And I feel like it's not, it is heavy. It's not ginormous, but it's gonna hold a decent amount. And it kind of reminds me of my LV bag I used to carry. It was a little bit bigger than this, but I always had like a little thing for here, so I didn't have to worry. I can't get over how freaking nice this is. They had so many different colors, but I felt like these were so adorable. Fun little green shade, and also my youngest loves the shade green, so I figured we could share these. But how cute are these little headbands? Like, I'm looking into my little thingy, but okay, obviously with my hair down. Okay guys, okay? But I love the little pearls. How nice is that? You know what I really like though? It's not the kind of headbands that squeeze your brain. You know what I'm talking about? Do you remember those god-awful ones when we were kids that would literally like pinch your brain? We've got a plain one here. This also came in other colors. So if you're not down for green, there are other colors available, but I like the little variety. Okay, I heard this sloshing around, and I don't know. Oh yes, I was hoping it was this. Smile. It's a fragrance. Spot on. Okay, so do you guys remember, I think it was like the last haul, okay, on one of my channels, I don't know, but I sprayed it and I said, it wasn't this particular one, but I sprayed it and I said, this is a mix of like the Bum Bum cream and the Coco Cabana that Sol de Janeiro used to have. This one is straight Bum Bum cream, no Coco Cabana. This smells really freaking good. I mean, you guys know, you know what that looks like, guys. And it smells really good. So it's a body fragrance mist, and so it's not gonna last as long as like a crazy expensive perfume, but it's gonna last as long as a body spray does, you know. And I've got the other one down at my camper, so I can smell like a delicious Coco Cabana / Bum Bum cream. You want the full Bum Bum cream? Get this. I'm hoping they put the other ones in. By the way, shout out and thank you to Temu for letting me pick these items out and working with your girl in today's video. Yes. I am so hoping that this one smells like it's not Beehive Flora, I forget, the amber one. This is warm floral, the black amber and vanilla, and it's called the Samba Passion. This was the brand that I'm talking about for the other one that smelled like Coco Cabana and Bum Bum. I want to scream. I am now saving so much money. That is literally spot flipping on. You guys, I am so excited. Okay, and these are like, I think under $6 a piece. Typically they're $22.50 or $24.50. So yeah, they're going to be linked down below. I don't know what else I got in here, but shut your mouth. I am so excited. I am so excited. I am so freaking geeking. I picked out a bunch of them because I was really hopeful that they smelled just like, okay, this is the pistachio and salted caramel. Okay, that one smells, I think it's 71. I think 71 is like the reversion, I feel like, of Coco Cabana. It doesn't totally smell, hold on, let me put it, it doesn't totally smell like the Bum Bum. It's like a mixture of the Coco Cabana, or Coco Cabana, whatever, and Bum Bum. I gotta add more to my cart because I know y'all are gonna start snatching them up. Okay, this one I think is gonna be like the Rio, which is like this really soft floral honeysuckle scent, and I love it. Solar Floral is what this one is called. Yes. Yes. Okay, you guys, the Lan Impress brand. I wanted the purple. I got the purple one. Okay, this one is Share Happiness Smile, but this one again straight Bum Bum cream. But this brand literally they've nailed it. This one nailed it too. So if you were curious about this one, which I wanted to try because I saw a bunch of different ones. Okay, so this is the same one. Cool. You guys, spot on. This is actually one of my favorites. I think they have the lightest pink there too. I'm gonna have to snag that one, and I did, and she did. If this is the Beehive Flora, y'all need to run if this smells like it because I love it. So again, this is the Lan Impress. This is what it looks like. And listen, you guys, I am telling you right now, I'm beyond excited. Hold on. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I gotta get the purple one and see if the purple one works. This one is called Fruity Floral, which reminds me of the Beehive one, which you guys know I don't even say I'm right. If you were on the fence of the Lan Impress Perfume Mist, amazing. 10 out of 10. I am so excited. These would make excellent gifts as well. Next in here, I got Cutesy Little Signs Happy Camper, because I'm a camper. And it's pink, which you all know. Your girl is obsessed with pink. It does come with a little string back here so I can hang it up all nice and cutesy on the door or something. But these are so adorable. You guys know I love these little signs. If you're a crafter, you make wreaths or whatever, you could easily like put this in the center of the wreath and then do colorful things around it, which I think would be adorable. I also picked up this one, Happy Campers, The Adventure Begins. Yeah. How cute is that? Once again, we've got the little string to attach. I I love getting these because they're so inexpensive and it's so easy to decorate everything. And I know somebody's going to be like, why do you keep looking over here? That's where my little viewfinder is. And I'm new to this camera, guys, so I'm like trying to make sure I'm in focus the whole time. But how adorable. Just for size reference so you can see. Right? Isn't that so cute? I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll show that in a minute. I didn't want to have to worry about plastic wraps and all of that all the time. So I found what look like little shower caps that are reusable. So when you've got leftovers or whatever, you can pop this on. It's like a little washable, reusable thing that you can put on your dishes. Isn't that, or your bowls? It comes in a bunch of different sizes. So you've got all these different colors and all these different sizes. And I thought, you know, how nice is this? Then you don't have to fuss with finding lids or anything. You've got all of this and they fit in with each other. So I'm gonna wash those. Next in here, I love these kind of things. I don't know, y'all. I just can't fathom what some people are spending on these really cutesy like bags to get them custom when you can literally just go to Temu and do it. Like my child is on a trip right now, or getting ready to go on a trip, and I was helping him pack. I have got all of my packing cubes and everything from Temu. You can't beat them. They work great. They keep you nice and organized. Like we went through the suitcase and we've got like outfits, we've got swimsuits, pajamas, shower stuff, like, and you can get all fancy and have them like cutesy and labeled and all of that stuff. Like all the sunscreen can go right into here, then it zips up and it looks cute. You don't have to get gold. It came in other colors too, but how precious is that? Then look at this. Comes in other colors. If pink is not your thing, they had other ones there too. It's like a nice little beach bag or whatever stuff you want to put in there. How adorable. Doesn't that look so nice? Look at that. And you're not paying an arm and a leg and a left kidney. This is perfect. This is the perfect pull bag, what have you. I love this. You are looking for other colors. They definitely have other colors available. I so could have used this 2 days ago at my youngest graduation party. So at my oldest daughter's wedding, her now in-laws had these things on the table and I'm like, what is that? She was like, oh, it's a fan to keep the flies away. I had never seen anything like this. So I picked out a set of 3. This is what they look like. And I'm gonna have to put batteries in here. You can hang them up if you want to as well. And then you put this on here, and maybe y'all have seen this. I'd never seen it, but this to me is genius. And you put it around there and it just spins around, and then it keeps all the flies away. It is like the bestest thing ever. It's exactly what they had gotten, and she told me about it, so I hurried up and ran to Temu and put them in my cart. That literally came in so handy. It kept all the flies away. Yay! They sent the whole collection. I was so wondering about this one too. So again, it's the same Land Impress Samba Passion. It smells so delicious. I need to try the lotions next. If they have I think they have the lotions. Save your freaking money. Look at this. You can literally get all of these. All of these. Like I said, I think they're like maybe $6 a piece. One at the other store is like $22.50. I'm not the best at fast math, but that's about almost 4 a piece for the price of 1 at the other store. I know, deals on deals. That's why I love me my Temu. Also, I always get excited over decorating our campsite. It was something that last year when we were camping, I loved walking through the campground and seeing everybody decorate. So I've already got the little flag holders from Temu. I got like a set of 4 of them, and then I've been picking up the cute little flags, and this is my happy place. How cute is this? They have all different kinds. You know, no matter what kind of flag you're looking for to decorate your place up, they have them over there. So I've got all these cutesy little flags. I love, love, love it. Oh, see, I told you they had pink too. So I got another set of the headbands. I know it's June, but you guys, these kind of things to me make great stocking stuffers. You know, you guys know I have a lot of family, so I'm always thinking ahead. So stocking stuffers, these would make little adorable gifts. On top of that, like my oldest is a nanny and she has like little treasure boxes for the kids. They have so many different options over on Temu. So if you're making goodie bags, say your kid's birthday party, I mean, how adorable. And one pack has 4 in there. So just buy a couple packs and that could be one of the party favors. Oh my gosh. And then check it out. For my office, I got a little keyboard stand. When I say they have the most random things you can find on there, like I even started looking, I need to go back and get it. If you want to hang up like remotes or your phone and you don't have a nightstand in your camper, they have them. So I've got that currently in my cart. But this is just a nice little keyboard stand and it comes with little, so you're not going to hurt your wrist. Anyways, friends, that is everything for today's Temu haul. Like I said, I got a special little link down below for you guys where you can download the app and see some of my faves. Right now, my current faves out of this haul, hands down, is this whole collection of the scents. These smell so flipping good. I can't tell you guys enough. Like, I would run and grab them. They smell delicious. Even if you find the Smile brand, this one still smells like the bum cream. Spot on. So no matter what one you find, I'm sure you're gonna love it. So everything's gonna be linked and listed down below for you guys for direct purchase. And thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. Thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. Make sure to check me out on my other channels. I feel like I'm saying channel a lot. Hotmess Mama MD, Makeup Diva, Not Medical Doctor, where I unbox a lot of makeup subscriptions, do some try on makeup hauls over there. And then Hotmess Mama Vlogs, I do a ton of fashion hauls over there, curvy girl fashion hauls. I got a lot of Temu hauls, you name it. Thank you once again to Temu for letting me pick these things out and working with your girl in today's haul. And I'm also on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMama4. Until next time, friends, as always, check the description box down below. Give me some ideas of things you'd like to see in future Temu hauls. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!
To the